In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up to Leonardo AI. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Leonardo AI website by typing leonardo.ai into the address bar and pressing enter. Give the page a moment to load. On the home page, you should see a prominent Start Now button somewhere near the center of the screen. This is your main entry point into the platform. Go ahead and click that button. After you click Start Now, a new page will open that looks similar to an account dashboard. Don't worry if you're not actually signed up yet. This interface is designed to guide you through the registration process. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar or navigation menu. Scroll down to the bottom of that menu and look for the option labeled Sign Up. When you find it, click on it. The page will reload and present you with several different ways to create your account. At this stage, you'll see a set of sign-up options, typically including Canva, Apple, Google, Microsoft, and email. These are simply different methods of verifying your identity and linking Leonardo AI to an account you already use. Choose the sign-up method that feels most convenient and secure for you. For example, if you use Canva frequently and you're already logged in there, signing up with Canva can make the process much faster. In this example, we'll choose the Canva option. Click on the Canva button and the page will reload. If your Canva account is already signed in on your browser, Leonardo AI will automatically detect that and show you a permission screen. This screen outlines what kind of access Leonardo AI will have to your Canva account, such as basic profile information or integration permissions. Take a moment to read through these details so you understand what you're agreeing to. If you are not currently signed into Canva, you'll be prompted to enter your Canva login details first. Once you're logged in, you'll see the same permission screen. When you're comfortable with the access being requested, click the Allow button. After you confirm, Leonardo AI will finalize the connection with your chosen sign-up method. And that's it. You are now successfully signed up to Leonardo AI and can start exploring the tools and features available on your new account.